So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. Now remember, before we take a trade, we need to know our trend. Second, we need to trade with the trend. Now, guys, before you go ahead, I want you guys to have it in mind that you need to trade with what market is doing. You need to trade with the trend. Now, remember our prediction for yesterday on AUD I told you guys clearly that AUD will drop, right? And it did give us that bearish move, which is not yet over. We will want to continue that sell. Why are we going to be expecting that sell? It is very, very simple, guys. When you take a look at this movement, right? You see that markets literally rallied up to tap this resistance, right? Then it eventually dropped again to tap our support. The market has now come back to tap our resistance. Of course, basic rule of trading in ranging market trade, right, is that once market gets your resistance level, sell from your resistance. Once it drops to tap your support level, buy from your support level. That is exactly what we'll be expecting on our AUD. So let's see it this way. Market was able to rally up to tap this resistance one. Then we had the second touch in our resistance, right? Market was able to come here, right? Now, market has now dropped down to tap this our support. Market eventually rallied down to come to tap our resistance. Market dropped a bit. Now, market has now come back right here. So with this movement, right, we should be expecting market to drop and come back down to our support level. So this is to tell you that if you are not yet in the sale, you can go in for the sell. But if you're in the sale, you can stay with your sell position as markets will still be dropping. Above all, we should be expecting a bearish move for the day on AUD. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments so you will not miss out on the next updates.